Hey there everybody, welcome to this channel. Today we're gonna unbox the iPhone 6s. Now we received these three devices at once: iPhone 6s, iPhone 13 Pro Max, and iPhone 13 mini. Oh boy, we have been waiting for this iPhone 6s for such a long time. We have looked at this device everywhere in and out, from Amazon, eBay. Now we got this. Now this one is quite fresh and it doesn't have any wrapping paper though, but this one is barely untouched. Now let's go ahead and take a look at those side by side. And now this one is come with quite the big box because of the charger and adapter, of course, which we believe no longer come with the newest iPhone. Well, now let's go ahead and see what we're gonna get inside of this box. Now I'll just go ahead and grab it here. This one is actually 64 GB with 2 GB of RAM. So here you can see your expect if you want to really see it about your phone. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this box up here, and let me take this aside. And this is the phone itself. Before we talk further about this iPhone 6s, now let me just go ahead and see what we're gonna get inside of this box, okay? Now in the box, if I just take this out, well, this is another box. So if I open this up, and here of course you're gonna find out your documentation and Apple sticker, which is awesome. So I'll just take this aside as well. And this is what I've been really excited about, because this one is of course come with the charger, an adapter, and a headphone. Okay, this is the headphone, and this is the adapter. This is the USB-C to Lightning cable. Now let's talk about our iPhone 6s itself. Okay, now first, before I say anything, let me just open up this cellophane paper. Easy and nice. Okay. Well, this one came out on the 9th of September in 2015. It's about 6 years old and still popular among many iPhone users. So let me just go ahead and turn this on and let's see how it really goes. So let me press and hold the power button. Let it go. Alright guys, now the best part about your iPhone 6s is it's about 4.7 inch and it has a 3D touch features, and it's upgradable with your iOS 15, which is the current version of iOS. Now let's go ahead and set this up. First you have to choose your language. Now use your region. Now choose your Wi-Fi network. Now go ahead and connect with your Wi-Fi network. Now, if you're going to use your iPhone 6s for many days later, then you're going to encounter this activation error while you're setting up your iPhone 6s. Now, this is actually telling you to update your iPhone 6s with iOS 15 or later. Now, to update your iPhone 6s, you need to have an iTunes. We actually made a video about on how you can update your iPhone 6s iOS 15 to solve the activation error. After updating that iPhone 6s to the iOS 15, let's go ahead and set this up. Now, after updating the iOS 15, you're going to see it's going to say hello in the different languages with iOS 15 style. Now go ahead and press your home button, and now choose your language, select your region, set up manually, and then choose your Wi-Fi network, enter the Wi-Fi password, tap join. Tap continue to the data and privacy. Now if you want to set up your Touch ID, you can do it right now, but we will set up the Touch ID later. Tap don't use if you don't want to use it now. Create a passcode for your iPhone 6s. Now re-enter the same password again. Now go ahead and choose your apps and data option, especially if you want to get a backup or if you want to restore from your PC or so. So I'll choose don't transfer data on apps. Now if you have an Apple ID, go ahead and enter it right here, or if you don't have it, just simply tap forget password or don't have an Apple ID. Now go ahead and tap setup later. Tap don't use if you don't want to use your Apple ID right now. Now tap and agree to the terms and conditions. Tap continue. Tap continue to your iMessage and FaceTime, and you also can, turn on your location service if you want. If you want to set up your Siri for yourself, you can do it from here, but I'll tap, set up later in settings. Tap continue, tap share with apps. Now go ahead and just tap share with apps developer if you want, or you also can tap don't share. Now choose your appearance, whether you want to use the dark or the light, so I'll choose the dark one. Tap continue, and tap continue again for display zoom, and now it says welcome to iPhone. Tap get started, and now you're all set. Alright guys, so as you guys can see right now, it is actually up to date with the iOS 15, and now that means the problem is solved and it is now activated and this is how you can do it. Hope you find this video useful. If so, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later.